Ang goal gyud namo aning event is number one is to gather everyone no, within different organizations to establish camaraderie between different groups. Kay naaman tay agila ani na military, na pag foreign ko ana to contingent. Ay ikaduha na to nga purpose ani is to establish the firing range in Tuburan. And the third one is this will be the first of many na golf tournaments that we will organize not only by the Central Visayas Eagles Club but maybe in collaboration with other organizations.
My experience in joining the tournament is created open camaraderie sa mga Eagles ba. Nakamit ko lain-lain nga membro sa Eagles, labi na itong taga-North, and also other members nga nanuwa golf. And it was really fun, a fun day.
Masaya. Masaya talaga. Actually, sabi ko nga, this is the first at sana marami pang kasunod. At sana marami din ang sumali, no? Lalo na kung yung proyekto naman, yung kita is mapupunta doon sa isang magandang proyekto. Katulad nito, malaking bagay dahil matutulungan natin yung mga membro ng Philippine Army sa Visayas Command na magkaroon ng firing range para doon sa mahahabang baril.
I've joined a lot of tournaments pero masaya to kasi maramdaman mo yung warmth ng brotherhood, yung saya, kahit napakasimple ng tournament pero napasaya mo yung mga tao ba? And it served the purpose. Kaya nag-enjoy din talaga. Lalo na ako kasi nanalo ako.
We started this to encourage all members of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Club to put golf no, as one of your hobbies. Okay, sa una mo the misnomer is golf is only for the rich. Now you will see even if dili ka rich, you can still play and enjoy golf. It doesn't mean that you are the best golfer. So just start, enjoy the journey of being a golfer.
Golf is actually a venue for us to build friendship, build fellowship, build community, and most of all, we can develop values like the values of integrity, the values of honesty, and most of all, playing golf builds character. That's the most important one.
To all of you, salamat yun kayo. O balikon ako, this is not the first and the last, but this is the beginning of our partnership. Thank you.